It's smoky. You gotta get something smoked in the soup. I like how it covers almost the whole space. You can kind of use ingredients that you have in your kitchen from cooking something else.
My hungry friends, it's Friday and the kitchen's closed.
So we're on our way to a Pecarnia bakery to have bakeried goods and carbohydrates and coffee, which are a really good combination. So stick around and see what we eat, and or not, but it'd be cool if we did. Sure. So what would you consider this? A mom and pop, or is this? Yeah. Ah, look at them go, huh? Yankee. Okay.
Since COVID, we have to, and Poland has closed down all restaurants and eating places. We have to get creative with where we can show you what we're eating. I'm gonna start the car, get warm.
Go ahead. Since COVID happened, we have to be a little bit more inventive on how we do kitchens closed. So, like you saw this morning so far, we've been to a couple bakeries to show you what that looks like. Now, please understand that here at Polish Kitchen, Anna and I always comply with the local regulations as far as mask wearing and social distancing.
I don't comply with anyone.
So, if you see us not wearing a mask, it's because we're someplace we don't need to, like in our car. If we are wearing a mask, it's because we're supposed to. Okay, so if you see us not wearing a mask, something has changed. Go on and so on and so forth. So, what do we get? We got the coffee from Bagietka, which was a chain joint, right?
It's a chain joint but I believe it started in Szczecin.
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah.
Don't quote me on that.
Let's just say it did.
Okay.
Yeah.
And at Bagietka we got 2 breads and 2 coffees for the amount of 28 zł.
Okay, so 30, 15, $7, $6, something like that.
And at the first bakery, we have this much. We have these sweet buns with plum.
So sweet. They're so yummy. What are they called?
Drożdżówki.
Drożdżówki.
Yeah.
That's hard to say.
Yeah.
Drożdżówki.
Yeah. We try to make it as hard as possible here in Poland for everyone.
Well, you know.
And we got these 2 long
fingers.
They're called paluchy. And
toes. Fingers or toes?
Fingers or toes, it's your choice.
Same.
And the small bakery that we stopped at first is one that's run by just a local baker, and you can see him there at all hours of the day and night.
Yeah.
And we used to live close by here, and we would walk by the bakery, you know, at late hours or afternoon or even evening or even into the night. He'd be in there putting breads up for the next morning.
And the thing is right in front of their bakery, you couldn't see it today because there's too many people and stuff, but you can see flour on the sidewalk where they put the sacks of flour in, and then there's a small window that comes out of the basement. They put the sacks of flour down, and then he cooks in he bakes in the basement. And then when you see him come up, he's in a white t-shirt and white shorts, but the shorts almost look like boxers. They're such a light material because it's so hot down there. So all year round, doesn't matter if it's snowing or raining or whatever, this guy's in shorts and a white t-shirt but he's a true baker.
And I'm pretty sure that he is the only bakery in my hometown that makes these buns traditional way. They're called bułki wrocławskie, where they're nice and dense. He just takes his time to cook with or bake with the starter, and I really like going there.
It's really tasty.
Yeah?
Because the bread, the dough's not sweet, but the plum is. And then it makes it yummy.
Okay.
So what do you give this bakery?
100.
Our official rating system, we give it 100 thumbs and or pierogi up.
Up. All up.
Up. All up.
Then Bagietka, the place where we got the coffee,
which is this joint, Bagietka,
is one of my favorites because of the food.
It's got good food.
No. It's a relatively new one. It's a chain, but this location is relatively new, and it's across the street from where we used to live. So that was my go-to. And they have really good breads. They use starter for their breads. They have a nice selection of sweet buns and also a cafe is attached to it, as you saw, closed right now.
Closed for sitting down and eating.
Closed for sitting down and eating.
Yeah, so all restaurants, everything we do for the foreseeable future will be to go, takeout, or as they say in Polish, na winos.
Winos.
Or we'll get it delivered by one of the wonderful organizations that we're going to support called either Uber Eats or Pyszna.pl. So some little guy on a bicycle will bring it to us, or gal on a bicycle will bring it to us, and then we'll eat it in a park or something like that and show you something about Szczecin. Today you're getting to see the inside of the car. But later on in this video, we're going to go get something that's super traditional.
No!
Why not?
You're going to give it away again.
Okay, you're going to have to wait and see. Stay tuned. So that was the trip to the Picarnia Bakery.
What'd you think?
I think I'm full.
So here's the thing with Polish bread. There's nothing like it out in the world. When I moved to the US for the first time, bread was something that I missed the most.
Yeah, I mean, because 20 years ago, there wasn't a lot of artisanal bakeries in Oklahoma where we were living, and then Lawton, Oklahoma, which is a fine city. There's nothing wrong with it. And then we moved up to Wisconsin, and there wasn't a lot of
money in our wallet.
There was no money in our wallet, so if you could find good bread, it cost a lot of money. And so yeah, so bread was the thing that Anna missed a lot. And the first time I came to Europe, and we'd wake up every morning and walk to the local bakery and get bread. That was really cool. They're fresh, good bread. And sweet buns. And they make fresh rolls and stuff at gas stations in Europe, so that's fantastic.
Yeah, they do. When we lived in Germany, remember?
Yep. Every Sunday or Saturday, you'd walk across the street to the grocery store or the gas station and buy fresh brötchen or rolls.
Freshly baked on the spot.
Right there. So
amazing.
So that was really cool. I enjoy having a bakery, many bakeries all over Szczecin to get good bread. Hey?
Hey.
Yoder. Okay then. Well, I suppose
we suppose you liked our video, and if you did, give us a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the little this is your part.
Follow, like, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the bell doohickey on the thingy so you get some notifications once we put out a new video.
Come see us again next Friday.
Yep. Well, we're gonna do something. We don't know what yet. Stuff's getting wacky around here.
Come see us again on Monday when I welcome you back to my kitchen and we cook up some Polish food.
Thanks for coming.
See you next time.
Do widzenia.
Bye.